Today I'll be making roasted plantain. It's called Bole, which is a street snack in Nigeria. It's eaten by every tribe, everybody. I'm sure in all West African countries. As you've known that I like plantain, I've made so many plantain series. This is how do you make your roasted plantain in the air fryer to make it easier. Normally we will put on a charcoal grill or in the oven. So with the air fryer, it makes it easy. What do you need for roasted plantain? You just only need a knife, your plantain, and this air fryer. My friend just gifted this air fryer to me. By the way, thank you, Miss Helen. I have an air fryer before, so I gave it out. So since this one was given to me, I don't want another one. So just want to say thank you, Helen. So this air fryer, I'm going to use it to do my bole. So I'm going to cut my bole in 3 places, my roasted plantain in 3 styles. You can do it the way you like. The regular plantain is a long one. So I'm going to cut it diagonally like so. I cut it to 5 places, 1 medium plantain. You can do any way you like. And the second one, I'm going to cut into 3 places, beginning, middle, and end. And I'm going to do another one, which is a long one, which is the natural way it's being presented. That's the way you buy it on the street in Nigeria. I remember eating this bole growing up, especially my college days. I just take that and peanuts and water and full for the whole day. It's very filling, very, very filling. It's a whole plantain. And plantain is packed with iron. That's one thing good about plantain. And this is done in a way that, you have a natural sugar, no salt needed, nothing. You can eat it with palm oil. You can eat it with pepper sauce or peanut butter or any way you eat it in your culture. Let me know if you've cooked this before. If you have this roasted plantain in your country, in your culture, how do you make it? Tag me on my social media handles. Okay. If you're not part of Yemizkitchen, I want to welcome you. Welcome to Yemizkitchen. My name is Yemi. I am a vlogger, a blogger, a mom, a cook, and everything you can think of. But today, I'm cooking from the United States, where we cook authentic African dishes with all American ingredients. Please follow, like, share, and follow me on social media handles. Please make this channel blow. So I'll be placing the plantain, the cut plantain into the air fryer like so. I was going to put it in a two rack. It has a rack stand inside this air fryer, but I don't need to do that. So I'm going to put everything right here like I'm doing so, and I'm going to put on roasted. I think that's 400 for 20 minutes. So let's start. You see, it's like white right now. At 10 minutes, it's almost done. I turned it. Then let's wait for the next 10 minutes and let's see, it's already giving it the mark. I'm not going to let it be too brown, but it's still cooking. So this is 20 minutes and it's done. Voila, let's turn it off. We have turned the air fryer off and it's done. So all your bole, your roasted plantain, done in 20 minutes. It is amazing and it's healthy. No oil, no salt, no sugar. This is just basically natural sugar. And the roasted plantain itself, this is a winner. It's always a winner in my country. Everybody loves roasted plantain. So let's split this and let's see how it will come. So my bole, air fry bole is completed. This is so easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're done. This is one of the best easy recipe I've done. I can't wait to dive into this. You either eat it with peanuts, which is what I'm presenting it with, or pepper sauce or palm oil. This is just pure plantains ogede that are used for, we call it bole in Yoruba land. It's roasted plantain. It is a very popular common street food where I came from. I ate this a lot going to college. I love anything with plantain, so I eat this and I drink water and I'm done for the whole day. So this is how you may make it. I have done it in the diagonal slice way, and now I did it the way you can cut into three kind of presentation and the whole one. So what are you waiting for? If you've not liked and follow my channel, please like, follow. I want to put this in my mouth first, I'm hungry. Please like, follow, share, press the notification bell on all my social media. This is your hostess, Yemi from Yemizkitchen. I love you. Don't forget, happiness is a choice. Choose to be happy. Happiness is a choice. Always look at your glass half full, never empty. There's no perfect situation, and there's nothing new under the sun. I love you so much, Yemis. Mwah. See you in my next episode.